Hey guys, what's going on? This is Santos with Flashy Jewelry, and thank you guys for tuning into my video today. Before I start my video, I'm going to give you a quick wrist check. And what I have on wrist today is my Vostok Amphibia and with the Scuba Dude, and that's what I have on wrist. And also, I'm going to take a quick shout out to tell people to support small companies like companies we have here, James Custom Jewelry, and also my company, Flashy Jewelry. So support our small companies and help us grow, guys. So with that being said, let's get to the video. So my video today is about another watch that I picked up, and it is a Addy's Dive watch, and it comes in this really cool case right here, and the case brings, it's a bit of a pain to open this thing, but here we go. So this is the case right here. It brings the watch, it brings the manual. So let me show you the watch. So this is the watch, and look at the dial on this thing. Really beautiful colored dial. The indices are really nice. No numbered indices. It does have the calendar date there at the 3 o'clock. Really nice watch, automatic watch. I still haven't took it out the plastic, but I like how it feels. I like the weight to it. And I did try it on wrist with the plastic on just to see how it looked on my hand. And it looks really nice. Really cool watch. I picked this watch up at $54. And then a week later I checked again. It was already up at 100, like 97. And then Amazon actually has it for 120. So I got it at a really good value at $53, and this is a lot of watch for that price. And I would say even if you can get it at $90, $100, it's still well worth this watch. And it's really nice. Stainless steel all around, the case, the bezel, and really cool diver watch. So you're not going to get too much of a better watch at that price. And like I said, it comes with like this little book, a little user manual for you to check it out. And it also has like a little certification card. And it says the Addy's Dive Deep Sea Hunter. So it's a dive watch, certified dive watch. And like I said, it goes in this thing, so whenever you're not wearing, you can just store it all right back in the box. You close the box, and that's where you have the watch. I'll give you additional shots of the watch, like close-up shots. I'll even throw it on wrist in a little bit so you guys can see it in the video. So check out the shots, guys. Here we go. Okay, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed seeing those extra clips of the watch. And if you're interested in the watch, you can go to places, like I said, like Amazon to have it. Or you can even go on AliExpress, and they're up there for, like I said, I bought it at $53, but I seen it on AliExpress at $97 just last week. So you might want to check in, and maybe you'll catch a deal. They're always, every month it seems like they have a new deal on there. So you just have to look around. But I do suggest the watch. Once I open it up and wear it, I will do a further review. But hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys. And hopefully you enjoyed the video, like I said. I'm sorry. And we'll catch you on the next one, guys.